How to clean pre-finished hardwood floors tips. In this article I will go over how to clean pre-finished hardwood floors. Hardwood floors are more expensive and harder to maintain than other types of floors. However, when maintained properly, they are extremely durable and give you good value for your money. Cleaning pre-finished hardwood floors is not as challenging as you thought it would be. Placing good quality rugs and mats over these floors is a good way to prevent spillage issues. How to clean pre-finished hardwood floors with vinegar. White vinegar is one of the most versatile ingredients when it comes to cleaning anything in your home. Here is how you can use vinegar to clean pre-finished hardwood floors as well. Make a cleaning solution by mixing white vinegar and water in a ratio of 1:3. Test this solution in a small, hidden area of the hardwood floors to check if it causes dullness or other issues. If the solution is safe for the floors, you can use it for cleaning the hardwood floors easily. However, take care to use a very small quantity only to prevent moisture from seeping into the floors. If you don't like the smell of this mixture, you can consider adding a few drops of any essential oil of your choice: lemon, lavender, rose oil and more. This will give out a very soothing aroma when you clean the floors. If certain parts of your hardwood floors are covered with a lot of dust, oil and grime, you can add a few drops of liquid detergent or dish detergent to the white vinegar and water mixture while cleaning. If you feel that dish detergents may damage your floor, don't worry. Here is another DIY hardwood floor cleaning solution you can make using vinegar. Mix a liquid soap. Use the plant-based natural varieties, white vinegar and water in a ratio of 1:110. You can use this solution to clean hardwood floors that are covered with dust and grime. Are you scared of using water to clean your hardwood floors? We don't blame you at all. Many people think that it is a mistake to use water on these floors, as it can cause a lot of damage. Though it is not true, we can help you with another water-free DIY cleaning solution for bringing back the shine on your hardwood floors. Make a solution by mixing equal parts of vegetable oil and white vinegar. Pour this into a spray bottle and shake well. Spray this on the dirty areas, and wipe off with a clean, microfiber cloth to get rid of the dirt. Here is an excellent vinegar-based remedy to make your hardwood floors shiny again. Make a solution by mixing olive oil and white vinegar in equal portions. To this, add a few drops of lemon juice and about 10 portions of boiling water. Dip a rag into this, wring it thoroughly and wipe over the spots on the hardwood floors to bring back the shine. Make sure to run a dry cloth over the grooves again to ensure that no moisture has accumulated in the grooves. So as you might have realized, with the right maintenance procedures, you can keep your pre-finished hardwood floors clean and shining always.